In your elements of art, minimalist posters you're going to be creating, you will mainly be using the shapes, pen, line, color fill, and text tools to build your pieces. Don't overthink these pieces. We're thinking nice and minimal. And in this little tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the shapes tool. In Gravit, we have a toolbar up above instead of over to the side. You also have libraries you can go to and very quickly find certain shapes. But in this case, I want to draw my own. So I'm just going to click back over to Layers, and I'm going to come here and find the square and the circle, and I hit Shape. Now if I hold this down, I'm going to be able to see line, rectangle, ellipse, polygon, triangle, and star. I'm going to take the rectangle and go ahead and click into here, and I'm actually going to draw a rectangle. Oops, try that one more time. Take rectangle and draw. And there is my first rectangle. I can change the size, which I am going to do, by just narrowing it in and also lengthening. I want it to be about that long. I'm going to be creating a series of lines right next to each other for my line poster. So there we go. I want it to be about that thin. And I do want to fill this in with color. I'm going to choose a color. I want a kind of in a bluish range. I want it to be definitely nice, strong blue. Good. And there would be my first shape. I could also come in here and create another shape. Let's come here. I'm going to create another one, even thinner. Then I'm also going to fill that shape again with a blue. Maybe I'll try that one. I can select this shape using the selection tool. I can then also lengthen it as well. And there I have the start of my lines with shape.